Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the ANZ Plus mobile app. ANZ has solidified its position as the ultimate big bank answer to neobanking, offering a sophisticated app-only experience that actually rivals innovators like Up. The standout pro is that it's hands-off high interest rate. Unlike ING or Westpac, you don't have to jump through transaction hoops or card use hurdles to unlock your monthly bonus interest on balances up to $250,000. The app's built-in financial health tools are exceptionally deep, featuring automated spending categorization, upcoming bill prediction, and a dedicated save tab that allows multiple goal-based account or sub-accounts. However, the primary con remains its rigid, separate ecosystem. You cannot access ANZ Plus through the traditional ANZ app or website, which can be frustrating for long-time customers with existing loans or credit cards. Additionally, while the app is feature-rich, it still lacks some of the hyper niche social features like shared saver found in more youth oriented competitors. So if you want the security of a big four bank but the high tech, high interest perks of a digital challenger without the stress of monthly requirements, the ANZ Plus is currently the best set and forget banking app in Australia.